Y'all, so in today's video, I'm here to talk to you guys about your limiting beliefs and why it's stopping you from learning the skill of trading and investing. All right? Now, yes, I'm gonna continuously make more videos talking about money because it's important, number one. And number two, it's one of the highest paying niches, however you say that word, niches, whatever, on YouTube. So, listen, man, I gotta make it work. I have to gravitate the audience that wants to at least learn, all right? Also, too, y'all already know, man, the SR journey, I'm gonna continuously talk about that as well. Now, people have self-limiting beliefs, right? And what self-limiting beliefs do to you is they, in some way, shape, or form, they stunt your growth. They stop you from exploring the best version of yourself. Let's just be honest, right? So, what helped me realize my internal power was first having very, very deep talks with myself and having deep talks with the Most High God, the creator of all. I used to be very insecure about myself because of what other people thought about me and how they viewed me. And throughout your adulthood, bro, a lot of your childhood, we can use the word traumas, or a lot of your childhood, like your upbringing, it sticks with you, right? Because even as adults, we're just grown up children, if that makes sense. So, the limitations that other people had set on me, I was subconsciously believing it. You're too skinny, you're too short, you're not good enough. Whatever the case may be, I was subconsciously believing that instead of taking my power back and learning how to believe in myself. So what God done for me, right? What God has taught me is how to be okay with myself, how to learn how to think for myself and to not care about what other people think and how they view me. Now, how does that pertain to you? You gotta let go of the self-limitations. If you tell yourself that learning a skill, like the stock market, or learning a skill, like retaining your essence, taking back your power, this is a skill. Learning the skill of Forex trading, if you're telling yourself you cannot do it, or it is too hard, or you don't want to learn it, you're never gonna give yourself a chance to learn it. And I get it, right? In this world, you gotta own a business, run a business, whatever, right? But everybody's not gonna be business owners. Let's just be honest, right? Everybody's not gonna be a entrepreneur, okay? So if you work your job, the money that you get from your job or the money that you get from entrepreneurship or whatever, if you don't learn or if you don't believe in yourself enough to put some of that income into an asset that'll teach you how to generate more income for yourself, for your family, right? You're not gonna do it. You have to learn how to be self-taught. Because what we be expecting, right, is for people to hold our hand and like do the work for us or give us the validation that we need in order to do it. Nah, it all starts with you. I had to let go in order to even expand and to grow into the better version of myself. I had to do the internal work. Because everything starts inward. Bro, I was just, like, there was just somebody in the gym that was training, right? And I was listening to a podcast, an interview from, his name is Calvin, right? Y'all should know him, he's into Forex, right? and he was interviewing this lady, right? So I'm listening to the interview, and bro that was in the gym had asked me, he said, yo, are you into the stock market? And I said, yeah, like I'm an investor in the stock market. He said he is too, right? Boom. So he literally said it. He said, because I said, yo, people be thinking that they can't get rich, or they have these limited beliefs. And he said, nah, everything you have is already internal. You just got to put in the work and do it in order for you to see it. You feel me? If that makes sense. And I said, see, you already know. Like, you get it. You got to learn how to get out of your own way. Once again, you got people out there that'll sit there and say, oh, I don't want to wait that long. I don't want to wait 5 years. I don't want to wait 10 years to get rich or wealthy or whatever, right? Y'all don't have no patience. It's just, everything is just instant. I want it right now. I want it today. If it doesn't happen today, then it's never going to happen, which is a limited belief. It's the same thing with this YouTube channel. I've been on YouTube for 4 years. I've been monetized for 2, right? 2021, 22, 23, about to be 3 years, basically. Patience. Every day is a grind. Put out a video. I just started knocking out YouTube shorts now. Just doing both. Being patient. Letting the channel grow. Bro, I be making like $30. Keep it real with y'all, bro. I don't care. I be making like $30, $40 a month on YouTube. It's nothing major, bro. But it's something. What am I supposed to do? Cry about it? Nah, I'm gonna keep grinding. Cause at the end of the day, I love what I do. I appreciate the community. I appreciate the fact that I'm even able to grow a channel. I got people that support me. I appreciate that. Feel me? So when you let go, you allow yourself to grow. You give yourself a chance. Another thing, pay attention to how you view money. I'm gonna just keep it thorough and real and honest with y'all. I don't care, right? Pay attention to how you view the dollar. Okay? If you have a negative relationship with money, if you're afraid to look at your bank account or your bank statement, if you're afraid to, turn me up, universe. If you're afraid to grow a stronger relationship with money, you're gonna continuously be in this cycle. You make money, and then you give it to somebody else, and then you gotta work for the money you get. This is outside of taking care of bills. Open your mind, okay? When I say give it to somebody else, I mean you're doing things that's not helping you generate the income. So you're going clubbing, you're going partying, you're feeding your vices, you're constantly feeding the flesh all the time. But yet, what about your spirit? What about your soul? What about you taking care of you? Because nobody is working for the money. Nobody's doing the work for you. You're doing the work. So we got this system that they designed where you got to work 40 hours a week to make a certain amount of income. And then you got to wait. If you don't get paid every week, you got to wait 2 weeks to get paid a check. And then that check goes to somebody else. Nah. You got to put something aside for yourself, either in your savings account or you put it in your portfolio. Because once again, everybody is not going to be an entrepreneur. Everybody's not going to be a business owner, bro. I be open and honest with y'all. I tell y'all all the time, bro, I do Uber Eats. I be out there consistently. And majority of the time, I don't get tips. Let's just be real. So I still be having to make sure I take care of myself. And the only way, one of the only ways that we gonna get rich in this economy is that we gotta have that money working for us. So you should be studying the stock market every freaking day. If you want to get into Forex trading, you should be studying that. And then as a man, you got to conquer yourself. You got to cultivate your sexual energy and learn how to have that self-control and that self-resiliency, bruh. They created the book Think and Grow Rich for a reason. he talks about sexual energy transmutation. But it's up to you to discover that. I don't care about clubbing, I don't care about partying, I don't care about impressing random ass strangers, trying to look rich, trying to wear my money. I don't care about that, bro. I care about figuring myself out, learning myself. It's not about being selfish, bro. I got myself to live. I live with myself for the rest of my life, basically. Right? You have yourself to live with for the rest of your life. So we gotta learn how to figure ourselves out outside of the outside validation, the outside need for people to tell you, yeah, you can do it, buddy. No, tell yourself that. Because subconsciously, that's where it really starts. Alright? I don't want to hear that, oh, it's too hard. It's hard to save a couple dollars. So what you gonna do? Keep spending it and keep giving it to other people instead of focusing on financial goals? Instead of focusing on the abundance that you already have internally? Because we know on this planet, bro, what's the number one stressor? Yeah, I should know the answer. People stress about money. People stress about bills. People stress about not having enough. It's certain, there's cycles that you gotta see through. You gotta be able to see, like, you gotta be self-aware. That's where it really starts. Self-awareness is key. And then, another thing too, focus on other sources of income. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth over time. It's about giving yourself a chance to see how it feels to have 1,000 saved up, 5,000 in your investment portfolio, 10,000. Because what is it gonna do for you in this human experience is we love progression, right? So when you hit a goal, it's gonna keep you motivated to keep hitting goals, bro. As long as you're respecting yourself, as long as you're respecting your morals, you ain't out here doing some stupid shit for money, you good. It's all about the inward game. Because if you don't feel good enough, what you gonna do is just keep doing the same stuff. You ain't never gonna invest. You ain't never gonna get started because you keep telling yourself you can't do it. And that's a self-defeating, limiting belief. Realize how limitless you are, bruh. Same thing with your SR journey. Realize how limitless this energy is, bruh. It's ours to keep. It's to give us that oomph. Give us that fucking internal fire. Keep it lit every day. You gotta remember, bro. Time. It's the number one asset. None of us can get time back. Money you can always make. Time you can't. So put forth the energy. Put forth the work. Learn how to trust yourself, right? Learn how to trust yourself. Learn how to talk to God and ask God to guide you and show you what you need to see. Coming across this video for a reason. I want to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribing, bruh. Everybody has been watching the YouTube shorts. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has been watching these videos. I appreciate y'all. Real talk. You got some real ones. Alright? Free Discord chat. Free Telegram chat. It's free. I'm not charging you no money. It's free. In the description. In the comment below. Only thing that I've created was ebooks. And the ebooks is not even pricey, bruh. And I'm working on another one. I'm not even gonna front to y'all. I don't care. I'm working on another one. So, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for rocking out with me, bruh. Let's keep elevating and evolving, and let's keep learning, bruh. We gotta learn about the economy. We gotta learn how to be financially astute. We gotta learn how to be students, because learning never stops, bruh. It's your boy Thomas Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hold on. I love y'all. We out here.